Perfect day starts with perfect breakfast. If you love granola and need some changes to spice up your daily breakfast, these recipes are for you. So let's make these non-grain granola recipes. Hi, I'm Yoko. So today I'm going to show you two kinds of non-grain vegan granola recipes. Non-grain means no oats involved in these recipes. Don't get me wrong, I love granola and I love oats, but sometimes I need some changes for texture and taste, and also for the variety of nutrient. So let's dive into the recipes. The first recipe is cinnamon quinoa granola. For this recipe, I'm going to use half a cup of cooked quinoa. Into a bowl, I'm going to add half a cup of cooked quinoa, half a cup of sliced almonds. You can use chopped almonds instead, but I love the crunchiness of sliced almonds. Half a cup of unsweetened coconut chips. This adds not only the crunchiness, but also the sweet flavor. 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. If you love cinnamon, you can add more for the extra flavor. 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, and a good pinch of salt. Salt enhances the flavor and sweetness. Now I'm gonna stir everything to combine. Set the dry ingredients aside. I'm going to mix the wet ingredients. Into a small bowl, I'm going to add 4 teaspoons of maple syrup and 4 teaspoons of melted coconut oil. I'm going to mix well to emulsify. Now let's mix the dry and wet ingredients. Once all the ingredients are coated with maple syrup and coconut oil, it's ready to bake. Split the mixture over the lined baking tray, and I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake at 350 Fahrenheit or 180 Celsius for 14 minutes. I like to check after 10 minutes and flip the granola and bake further for more minutes. Or bake until granola becomes golden brown. Once it's baked, carefully remove the tray from the oven, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds. I'm going to mix everything and let it cool completely. If you like big chunks of granola, let them cool first and then mix. Now transfer the granola into an airtight container, and it's time to enjoy. This time I've decided to pair that with coconut yogurt. So into a bowl, I scoop myself a generous amount of yogurt and sprinkle some granola, berries, and I also drizzle some honey. I love the combination of tangy flavor of yogurt and sweet flavor of granola. So enjoy your bowl. The next up is buckwheat chocolate granola. I'm going to use buckwheat groats for the granola. Buckwheat groats seems like a grain, but they are actually seeds. They are gluten-free and rich in antioxidants. So into a bowl, I'm going to add 3/4 cup of buckwheat groats, half a cup of unsweetened coconut chips, 1/4 cup of sunflower seeds, 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar, 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional, but I just love cinnamon powder, and a few pinches of salt. I'm going to give it a stir to combine. Now let's move on to the wet ingredients. Into a small bowl, I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of almond butter, 1.5 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to mix well and combine with the dry ingredients. Pour the wet mixture into a dry and stir to combine. Spread the mixture over the lined baking tray, and I'm going to bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Or bake until granola becomes golden brown. After they are baked, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds. I like to add hemp seeds to my granola for the extra punch of protein, and 3 tablespoons of cacao nibs. And I'm going to stir everything and let it cool completely. Now I'm going to transfer the granola into an airtight container, and it's ready to be enjoyed. So today I decided to enjoy the granola with banana and milk. I'm serving a granola into a bowl and top it off banana coins and extra cinnamon powder. Also, I'm going to drizzle some honey and soy milk. I like pouring the milk over the chocolate cereal, and after I finish whole cereal, the residual milk on the bottom of the bowl tastes like chocolate milk, and that tastes amazing. These granola bowls are going to be a great breakfast, or you can eat these as a snack also. So this day, I decided to make a breakfast spread, and I enjoyed these no-grain granola bowls with this cold brewed green tea with lemon. It tastes very refreshing and make great breakfast with granola. So I hope you enjoy my recipes. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one. Bye!